Hi guys, welcome back to our English class with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. Today is Wednesday, February 10th, 2021, and we are going to talk about the conditional, more specific about the first conditional. So, the first conditional, it helps us to describe what we think it will happen in a real situation. For example, if I don't study, I will fail my test. Or not, if we go late to the movies, we will miss the movie. If he goes out, he will buy some milk. So the rule is simple. We put the the oh sorry, we put the conditional if plus the sentence, the condition, and the clause will, and what the result will be. So, for example, well, let's practice. If you bring your computer, we will work better. So the condition is that if you bring your computer, the result that will be that we will work better. But what if we have the result you will be grounded? It can be if you failed your test, if you don't listen to your parents, if you don't do your homework, you will be grounded. So this can be the result of many conditions. And we have the condition if he eats fruits and vegetables, the result could be that he will be healthy or he will be stronger. There can be a lot of conditions too. But if the result is they will be healthy, it can be if they do exercise, if they eat well, if they sleep well, if they wash their hands, if they wash their faces and stuff like that. Another one, if the result is we will buy a pizza, the condition can be if we save money, if there is a party, if you behave well, we will buy a pizza. So that's the main rule. Now I want you to think for tomorrow's class. What conditions do your parents have for you? One example can be if you don't eat your vegetables, you will not eat dessert. Maybe if you don't do your homework, you will not play the Nintendo or stuff like that. So that's the reflection for today that I want you to think so tomorrow we can work it better. And that will be all. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow with to continue with our class. Goodbye. Have a nice day.